Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Nidhi and today we are going to make a fusion dessert from very famous Indian sweet called Motichur Laddu. Fusion desserts are some of my favorite things to make. This dessert combines Motichur Laddu and cream in one jar. They are in fact so perfect for any occasion because one, they look so pretty, and two, they are individual jars which makes them perfect to serve for a crowd. If you like this recipe, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So without wasting any time, let's move on to this recipe. We will make syrup for the bundi. So take 1.5 cup of water in a saucepan. Add 2 cups of sugar into it. Pinch of orange color. Add half a teaspoon of rose syrup and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Lemon will prevent sugar from crystallizing. Also add half a teaspoon of cardamom powder and few strands of saffron into it. Now transfer this onto a stove top and let it cook on a medium heat. Boil till it is reduced in quantity and has reached 1 string consistency. It will take around 7 to 8 minutes to reach 1 string consistency. You can see now it is forming a 1 string consistency, so turn off the stove at this point. Take 2 cups of besan in a mixing bowl. Add pinch of baking soda into it and 1 teaspoon of ghee. Now add water as required and make smooth batter out of it. Now add pinch of orange food color into the batter and mix it well. This will give nice orange color to our laddus. Now our batter is ready, so keep this aside. Now for making bundi, we require this kind of jara, and if you don't have this one, then you can use this kind of utensils with holes in it. I'm using this strainer for making bundis. Place the strainer on a hot frying pan and add around half a cup of batter into it. Start moving the spoon in a strainer and you can see small drops of bundi falling in the hot oil. Do not over fry the bundis as they may result in discoloration. Fry for a minute until they are crisp. Once bundis are done, remove from oil and place them on a paper napkin to absorb excess oil. Now our crispy fried bundis are ready. Even if you get big lumps of bundi like this, then don't worry, we will break it once sugar syrup is added. Transfer warm sugar syrup into a mixing bowl so it will be easy to mix it up with bundi. Add all the bundis into sugar syrup. Mix till the mixture is well blended. Now cover it and let it rest at least for 30 to 35 minutes. You can see now all the sugar syrup has blended nicely in the bundis. Now if you feel that you have extra syrup into the mixture, then transfer it onto a strainer and let all the syrup comes out from the bundis. Now if you want finer bundi, then pulse them in a food processor. Here I am using this vegetable chopper. We don't want a paste out of it, just give 2 to 3 pulse and then you are done. You can see now all the bundis are looking in a similar size. So this is what we were looking for. Similar way, repeat this process for all the bundis. At this point I am adding half a cup of sliced almond and pistachios. Give it a good mix and our bundi mixture is ready. If you want, you can shape it into laddus. Now if you want to make only laddus, you can stop at this point, but as we are going to make fusion dessert, we will move on to another layer of making this dessert. Take around 1 cup of cream cheese in a mixing bowl, and with the help of hand mixer, just whisk it nicely. Into that, add 1 cup of powdered sugar. Start whisking it again. Now keep this mixture aside, and in another mixing bowl add 2 cups of heavy cream. Now take some ice cubes and keep the whipping cream bowl on top of it and start whisking it until you get stiff peaks. Add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract here. When you get stiff peaks like this, start adding cream cheese mixture. Add into batches and keep on whisking. Now our whipping cream and cream cheese mixture is ready for layering. Take it into a piping bag. If you don't have piping bag, you can use Ziploc bag. Fill the piping bag and close the end. Now take the jar and add the first layer of cheese mixture. Make another layer with bundi crumbles. Now again make a cheese mixture layer followed by the bundi mixture. Now one more layer of cheese mixture. You can make the layers according to your serving bowl size. And in the end, top it up with the bundi layer again. Put some dry fruits on the top. And our Motichur Laddu jar is ready to serve. If you like this video, then don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you soon with the next recipe.